How to sign in to your Google AdSense account. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how you can sign in to your Google AdSense account. So first of all, open any of the web browser and go search Google AdSense account. You will come onto this web page and click on sign in to continue to AdSense. Now here it's written that no AdSense account means that with the email that you are logged into currently, I'm logged in with this that isn't associated with any AdSense account, so it's okay. All you need to do is sign into the email which you used to create the AdSense account. So click on sign into a different Google account. Now, in case you don't remember the email with which you signed in, so click on forgot email. This window will open. So you have to write the recovery email or phone number that you associated with your account while creating. But if you remember, then just go back and write down the email of your Google AdSense account. Now, if you haven't created your AdSense account, so first you need to create the account. Or if your account is created, then just simply write email and click on next. Now here, you need to write down the password. After writing down the password, click next. And shortly after that, you will be redirected to your AdSense account. So this is your Google AdSense account, and if your credentials are right, it won't be an issue for you to sign into that. So that was how you can sign into your Google AdSense account.